Print and Papers Limited, Newsprint and Paper Limited is call for semi-skilled B and C, group C, B and C for chemical. Okay, this is a chemical, so number of vacancies 41. So for this reservation is general tar 2 12, BC 11, BCM 12, BCM 2, MBC 8, SC 6, SC 1, ST 1. So yeah, monthly CTC is 44,000. Semi-skilled D mechanical and mechanical for group 2 unit 2. So total number of vacancies 21. So 21, this annual monthly CTC is 50,000. Semi-skilled D and C electrician, so total number of vacancies 12, so monthly CTC is 43,000. So semi-skilled instrumentation and instrument mechanic, so total number of vacancies 10. So general 10 4, BC 2, MBC 2, SC 1, SEO 1. So monthly CTC is 48,000. This official website is www.tnpl.com carriers. So semi-skilled labor per chemical number of vacancies 41. So qualification first class full time diploma in chemical engineering / chemical technology, bulb and paper technology. Age is maximum of 1/1/2022, that is 30 years. Semi-skilled B minimum 30 years from 1/1/2022. Okay, semi-skilled C is should have minimum 5 years of post qualification on 1/1/2022. Semi-skilled is should have minimum of 10 years of post qualification experience on 1/1/2022. Semi-skilled mechanical, for semi-skilled mechanical engineering number of vacancies 21. So qualification SSLC with NTC in fitter trade with not less than 60% of marks on national apprenticeship certificate NAC. Okay, only eligible for the apply the particular post. So age is for semi-skilled D is 30 years, semi-skilled C is 30 years. So should have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience, minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled electricians number of vacancies 12. So qualification SLCC with NTC electrician trade with not less than 60% of marks and national apprenticeship certificate NAC. So maximum is 30 years. To have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled C is may have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled instrumentation and instrument mechanic, also number of vacancies 10. So qualification first class full time diploma in instrumentation engineering, instrumentation technology, instrumentation and control engineering, class electronics and instrumentation engineering, or SSLC with NTC in instrument mechanic trade with not less than 60% of marks and national apprenticeship certificate NAC. So should have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience on 1/1/2022. Semi-skilled B is should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. NTC ITA holder for semi-skilled D is should have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled C is have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. So in erection, commissioning and maintenance of all type of measuring instruments, transmitters, control valves, on-off valves, pneumatic and hydraulic actuators, okay, power cylinders. General instructions is a candidate should have but scored 60% of marks in ITA NTC trade without rounding off. So intensive apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act will not be considered for the experience. Okay. So apply only can apply the online applications. So web portal is www.tnpl.com. No other mode of application will be accepted. So before applying online, the candidate should have possessed email, valid email and mobile number. Okay, candidates can access the online portal on application active at 6/1/2022, 21/2022. So then after send the other copy of the application form with the documents in covers, subscribing the superscribing the application for the post of dash by post courier. So courier want reach the before 27/1/2022. So the following documents want send to the TNPL. So this is the self-attest copy of the following documents will be enclosed with the application form: proof of date of birth certificate, SSLC, HSC mark statement, Aadhaar card, Xerox, PAN card, proof of required qualification, community certificates, okay, experience certificate, last pay slip from the experience and employer, application received insufficient document will be summarily rejected. Candidates applying for more than one post should submit separate online application. So can apply the more than one post. So one post should submit the separate online application for the each post. Okay, send separate card copy of the application for with required documents. So after scrutiny the application, only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. In case of any clarification, candidates can contact the helpline. This one. So next is the helpline number. The any doubt you can email to the recruitment.hr@tnpl.co.in. So online application opening is date is 6/1/2022. Online application closing is 20/1/2022. So receipt of hard copy application to reach the TNPL is 27/1/2022. Thank you.